Good morning. So for today's video we are going to be going charity shopping. The charity shops have recently opened back up again here in London and I'm very excited. I have been a couple times already, but today I'm going to be doing like a round trip of all of the charity shops that are open and I'm going to take you guys along with me, and then once I have come back I'm going to wash everything and then do a little try on haul for you guys of the things I find. Hopefully I find some good things. So yeah, just having my matcha and I'm going to leave in like 15 minutes. So let's go thrifting! So the first place I went to was Cancer Research, and I've definitely found a lot of good things in this shop before. I actually one time found a Comme des Garçons jumper, but I really like to take things off the rails, get a good look at like the clothes and get a good feel for the materials, because I'm trying to find things that are going to last a long time in my wardrobe. So yeah, that's something I really like to do. And I also found these sketches and I thought they were so cute and I really wanted to get them, but unfortunately they would have been too small for me, so I didn't get them, but I thought they were so nice and I love sketches. It's pretty much the only trainers I wear.
And I don't think there's a compromise without one losing the way of life. You've gotta love what you've got and with no regrets. And if you can't do that, then put it to rest. So if this has to end.
So in this Oxfam I managed to find this Ralph Lauren blazer and had pinstripes, and I actually thought it was really nice, but it had this like weird badge on the other side and I think it just looked a bit weird, so that's why I didn't get it. But if it didn't have that thing on it I definitely would have got it. This shop definitely had a really good selection. It had a really good kids section as well. There are a lot of things that I thought were really cute and thought about buying. I don't know, just because at the moment you obviously can't try things on, so I was a bit more mindful of that when purchasing things.
Swings like it's paradise. I only see you when I close my eyes. See the love that's been lost at the smallest cost.
Trying to find some gems. So this shop had a really good selection of men's shirts, and I always make sure to check the men's section, especially the men's shirts, because I've definitely seen Burberry shirts pop up in the men's section before.
I still think even after we end it all, the man that's after me's got a tough act to follow. So if this has to end, I can be your friend, but that's never really how it seems to work now, does it? We try to.
So I really like the layout of this shop. I thought it was actually the prettiest shop out of all of the ones that I went to. Everything was arranged really neatly and organised really well, and I just found that it made it so much easier when flicking through clothes.
Melatonin in my bed. La, 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 la.
I managed to find this really cute red Hobbs cardigan and I almost bought it because it was only a £5, but then after checking it over I realised that there was like this grease stain on the sleeve and I just figured it wasn't worth buying. So make sure to check the items, make sure that there's no stains, rips, holes, that kind of thing. In this shop, all the clothes were actually arranged by colour, which I thought was so satisfying, and I just think it looked really nice.
Want me in the morning, wonder if you heard a thing.
I also managed to find these Levi jeans, which were really nice, but I ended up not getting them because I wasn't able to try them on, and I know they would have been too big.
I'm the one who wants to see your teeth. Don't believe what I tell you when I'm on my knees. Still, I could never tell you off. Your ignorance too warm, too soft. Don't trust me. I'm the one who wants to see your
today, and it is all the stuff that I managed to get. I've washed it all now, so I'm going to show you guys everything and try it all on. I'm really happy with everything that I found. I didn't pick up loads of stuff, but honestly I've been buying quite a lot of secondhand pieces recently, and I need to go through everything first and organise my wardrobe before anything new comes into my wardrobe. I'm actually going to be making a wardrobe clean out type of video and there's a few things I'm going to be selling as well, so I'm going to do a video on that. And yeah, so I'm just going to get into showing you what I found. So the first thing I found, I actually showed you guys this already in my vlog, the last vlog I did, so if you watched that, shout out to you. I'm very excited about this. So I managed to find this vintage Topshop, and you know how much I love vintage Topshop. This pink cardigan, and it's just so beautiful, and this was like £5. It's just so nice. I have a couple cardigans, but I don't have a pink one, and I just think it's so nice, and it's such nice material as well, like such good quality. Even though it's vintage, clearly from the 90s by this label, it's still in such good condition. I can't wait to style this with like some baggy jeans and then like a cute little white crop top underneath, maybe with just like the first button done up, or even like the first button done up with like a bralette underneath. I think that will look so cute. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. Okay, so the next thing I found is this like sparkly top. I'm like happy with this, but I think I'm gonna crop it because I just think it's a bit too long on me, and I just like all my tops to be cropped. I think I'm gonna crop it, and then if that doesn't work out, just because I love this material, I think I might turn it into a sweater vest or something, because I love a good Rachel Green sweater vest moment. So if I crop it and it still isn't like how I want it, then I'll probably just do that. But it is such nice material, and like I'm a sucker for like sparkly material like this. So all in all, I'm very happy with this. This was only like £2 as well. So the next thing I found is actually so pretty, but it's a little bit big. I had to get it because look at it. It's so gorgeous. It's like this vest top, and it's vintage Oasis from the 90s as well. Material is so like such good quality. I just think the colour is so pretty. I've never seen anything like this before, and when I saw it I was just like, wow. I need that in my life. But I think I am gonna have to alter it just because it is slightly big. Anytime I see that like old label Oasis or old label Topshop, I'm just like, yes. The next thing I managed to find was this vintage Dorothy Perkins midi dress, and it's so cute. It's got this really cute like purple floral pattern on it, which is very in, and then it has frilly lettuce trimming at the bottom, which looks so nice. I think this will look so good with my buffaloes, of course. It's also got like the lettuce hem on the front, which is so cute. But yeah, this actually fits really well too, so I'm very happy with this. This is like £7, I'm pretty sure. The last thing that I managed to find is just this plain pink t-shirt, and it's from Polo Ralph Lauren. It's actually from the kids section, so never miss out on the kids section because you can find some like really nice things. It's just plain pink, but I just really like the sleeves. I think they're so cute, but I also think I'm going to crop this as well, just because I don't know, I just prefer it cropped. I think this was a good find as well. Again, it's Ralph Lauren, so the quality is good, like it's not going to fall apart. So yeah, that is everything that I managed to find. I definitely want to do more charity shopping, thrifting videos. I actually love making them so much because charity shopping is one of my absolute favourite things to do ever. It's just such a fun day out for me. I find it so therapeutic. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want. And thank you to all of you who have been watching my videos and liking them and commenting on them. Like, it just makes me so happy. Sending you guys all the love. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video.